Exam Scholar, Real Estate Edition. What is the OR and E rule? In real estate, you will come across many titles that end in either or E. For example, a mortgagor and lessor, or a mortgagee and lessee. These titles are used to refer to parties in an agreement. At first, these names can be confusing, but it is pretty simple in actuality. The title ending in OR is the giver in an agreement, while the title ending in E is the receiver. Here are some more examples. Offeror and offeree, trustor and trustee, vendor and vendee, grantor and grantee, optionor and optionee. A party who is selling, offering, or conveying would fall under an OR title. A purchasing or receiving party would fall under the E title. Knowing which party is which becomes simple as long as you know who is the giver and who is the receiver. Mortgagor and mortgagee are terms that are often confused because many think that it has to do with who is giving and receiving a loan, but that's not the case. Remember, a mortgage isn't about money. It's about giving security for a loan as well as a promise to pay back a loan. So therefore, a mortgagor is the person who is promising to pay back a loan, and the mortgagee is the party who is receiving that promise. Before taking your exam, it can be helpful to make some simple flashcards so that you are comfortable with all the OR and E terms. Exam Scholar, Real Estate Edition.